Welcome to Matt's Current Endeavor. I'm Matt. On today's endeavor, it's a little bit different than the usual. I was perusing Marketplace the other day, and I found this cool lamp. I just thought it looked cool. I thought it might be something that I'd like to incorporate into my garage setup, just give extra light when I'm working out here. And when I went to pick up the lamp, I brought it home, and this is it. You see it's on a tripod, and it telescopes. These open up and it goes up high, and this can twist and it can tilt forward and back, and you can loosen this and the bulb can go up and back. And it's really dirty. Someone's left it in a barn or something. It's kind of gross. Anyways, I got this for 60 bucks and I was like, that's cool. It looks cool, it looks old, looks vintage. It looks like something from the maybe 1940s, something like that, 1950s. So I got home and then I saw this newsreel floodlight, and it got me curious. So I looked online and I found that this is a studio light from the 1930s. I was like, whoa, that's really cool. And if you can find one online, they go for between $600 and $800. I was like, whoa. So kind of a good deal. To me, I just think it's cool looking. Initially I thought of it as a garage light, but I'm thinking, depending on how it cleans up, I might even incorporate it into my office or my living room some way. So first we got to clean it up, see what it looks like. The wheels don't spin. Yeah, there's a lot of things that just need to be cleaned up, and I think this has been replaced at some point. I don't think that's from the 1930s. So anyways, we're gonna clean it up and go from there and see what we got. Let's get this project started. Oh yeah, that rolls so much better. So we have the light now set up in our living room. After cleaning it up and seeing how good of shape it was in, I decided not to paint it. I decided just to leave it as it was. I had considered repainting and just really going a little overboard on it, but I kind of like the look of it, the vintageness of it. You see the almost 100 years of age, and yet you also see the quality that's held up over time. And then we added a really simple, just LED light that's programmable with Wi-Fi. So it comes on a timer, it matches our other lights in our front room. We have it set to more of a daylight during the day, and then the evening it turns to a more golden hour light. If you want, you can do party mode where it has like multicolor, which I don't think we'll use that a ton in our living room, but it's cool that you can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.